Welcome back to Toyota Northwest Edmonton, and in today's walk around video we're looking at pre-rare guest. Here we have Toyota RAV4 XLE Hybrid Woodland Edition. This legendary Toyota SUV, not that easy to get, and it comes with unique features that none of the other RAV4s have. Let's start from some exterior features here at the front. For example, we have bi-colored body paint, which here is army green with the black roof. We have projector LED headlamps with chrome bezels, Toyota safety sensors integrated into the front and the windshield. This particular model comes with the hood deflector and full 3M paint protection kit applied on the front part of the vehicle and front part of the roof, along with the door cups. We have LED fog lamps, block heater outlet integrated into the bumper, and black over fenders with Falken Wildpeak all-terrain tires with unique style bronze alloy rims and TRD off-road tuned suspension. Under the hood, we have fire protective blanket here at the top, and it will drop on the engine compartment in the case of the fire automatically. So here we have Dynamic Force 2.4-liter V4 engine that's paired with electric motors and electronically controlled continuously variable transmission with sequential shift mode. Combined output for this powertrain is 219 horsepower. This RAV4 has pretty high ground clearance, front and rear disc brakes, and also electronic on-demand all-wheel drive. Exterior features here including black door handles, bridge type roof railings with the crossbars and roof integrated shark fin antenna, privacy rear windows with tint and black molding. Exterior mirrors have integrated turning light in them. They heated and power adjustable, and also have a blind spot monitor with rear cross traffic alert as part of Toyota Safety Sense 2.5 features. This is our smart key fob with keyless entry and power lift gate. In order to lock this RAV4, we can simply just press the lines on the door handle, and to unlock, just put your hand in the door handle to unlock. And as we see, we have 3M paint protection in the door cups to protect this beautiful and unique paint from the scratches, from nail scratches. Let's get inside. Interior color is black with silver accents. Let's start from the driver's door. Here we have leather-like soft to touch material with powered windows with auto up down and power doors with window lock and exterior mirror adjustment, silver door handle and accents on the door, speaker and bottle holder with storage compartment. And we have tilted and telescopic steering wheel. And getting into the cabin, we have a RAV4 door seal. It's still protected with the blue film here. We don't want to take it off before the owner will do this job. And we have unique style Woodland Edition all-weather floor mats. And you're also getting regular rubber floor mats as well. So here on the left side, lower part of the dash, we have trimming, contrast trimming here, stitching. And here we have a pocket, storage pocket with anti-slip surface. And next buttons, it's brightness adjustment for driver informational display, automatic high beams, front windshield wipers de-icer, heated steering wheel, and power lift gate, along with the power gas tank hatch release right here. In front of the driver, we have a leather-wrapped steering wheel, and behind it, digital informational gauge cluster for the driver with 7-inch digital screen in the center and with the digital meter as well. And there's lots of settings here along with our safety settings. And we can go, this is driving mode, audio sources, audio settings, and this is our safety settings, which we have lane tracing alert, pre-collision system with pedestrian and bicyclist detection, blind spot monitor with rear cross traffic alert, and meter settings also could be customized. And on the steering wheel on the left, we have driver informational display controls right here, along with the hands-free button, volume up and down, and voice intelligent assistant for Siri, Google, or Toyota Assistant. On the right, we have a dynamic range radar cruise control buttons with lane departure alert with steering assist on-off button and a front sonar sensor, and more audio buttons right here. Moving to the center of the dash here, behind the steering wheel, we have push button start, and 8-inch Toyota multimedia touchscreen with wireless Apple CarPlay Android Auto and Toyota connected services that are available here, like Toyota Drive Connect, Toyota Safety, Service Connect, and Remote Connect. Some of those services come with free trial. You just have to inquire from your product advisor or look it up at toyota.ca. Here is our audio, phone settings once we connect our phone with the Bluetooth, and vehicle information. We have vehicle alerts here, which is none, and we can see our energy flow, in which cases our battery will be recharging, when it's usually because it's regenerative braking, and also when our gas engine is working. That's when the battery, when we driving, when we braking, that's when our battery is being recharged. There is no need to plug in this RAV4. And by the way, anticipated fuel economy of this RAV4, it's approximately 6 liter per 100 kilometer in combined cycle, which is pretty impressive, especially when you're getting 219 horsepower. Here is a dual automatic climate control with air conditioner, front windshield de-icer, rear window defroster with eco heat and cooling mode to optimize energy use. We can block the second row seating from the airflow, and again, in order to save as much energy and gas as possible. Heated front seats for driver and front passenger, airbag indicators, traction control off button, and here's the storage compartment with anti-slip surface, USB port, and 12-volt outlet. Our gear shifter with electronic parking brake and brake hold, trail mode for some light off-roading. Well, this actually RAV4 capable of some really good things while off-roading, so that will be really handy. This is will optimize the throttle and transmission output when you're navigating difficult terrains, and when we press it, we see the rocky surface on our digital screen for the driver. We also have 3 different modes right here and another one here. So we have Eco, Normal, and Sport. We just flip the switch here, turn the switch, and it turns green when we go to Eco, red when to Sport, and when I push the button, it goes back to Normal and everything's black and blue. And we have EV driving mode. When our battery is charged, like right now, you can see the gas engine started, and we see that it's charging the battery. EV mode is currently unavailable because the battery is pretty drained. So this is when the vehicle will be driving only on the battery until it's drained, and then the gas engine will engage us again. Area in front of the front driver has same interior accents with contrast stitching, storage shelving, and glove box that could be locked. Power doors and window button on their door, and we have a central console here with 2 cup holders, and inside the central console we also can find additional 2 USB-C ports, and this is our block heater cable hiding here as well, and in this storage bin. Overhead console including rear view mirror, and this particular vehicle comes with original Toyota dash camera, which is high resolution, day night, has a card in it, and could be easily connected to your phone to store your videos. And there's a lots of option to this latest version of Toyota original dash camera. And the most important thing about it, this dash camera won't avoid your warranty, which is very important in a case if customers install aftermarket devices that are not compatible to Toyota, the warranty could be voided, and that's pretty scary because we're talking about electronic parts of our vehicle right now. And overhead console including storage for glasses. We have power roof, a sunroof in here, and this is the controls for the sunroof. Toyota's SOS Safety Connect button with active Toyota Safety Connect subscription for roadside and emergency assistance with unlimited distance in the United States and Canada. We have map lights, LED map lights for the driver and the front passenger. And our sun visors have integrated mirror, automatic LED light, and extender on the side. Seats in this RAV4 XLE Hybrid Woodland Edition made of black fabric, high quality fabric material with pretty big headrests. It's easy to clean and it's moisture resistant as well, to a certain degree, of course. And driver's seat has 8-way power adjustable settings with 2-way lumbar support, and front passenger seat is manually adjusted. Rear passenger area, including children safety locks in each rear door, power windows on each door, and same soft leather-like materials with silver accents, speakers, and bottle holders. We have storage pocket at the back of the front passenger seat, and at the back of the central console here we have air vents and 2 USB-C ports right there. Same Woodland Edition special rubber all-weather floor mats here, and optional armrest with the cup holders. Seats at the back, and actually same door seals right there, and rear seats could be folded 60-40. And as we see, we have cargo liner here that extends on the back of the second row seating to keep your interior as clean as possible in any condition, whenever or wherever you're camping. And we see beautiful mountains and trees here. Children's seat anchors hiding behind this cargo liner. So all the seats could be folded in order to form flat cargo area, which is already impressive, even without a folding second row. Moving to the back, we can notice mud guards on both front and rear wheels. We have black rear spoiler with high-mounted stoplight and privacy rear glass with tint and wiper. And here's our LED tail lights. We have a blackout accents here as well with the blue Toyota Hybrid logo, Toyota RAV4, and here we have a Woodland Hybrid badging here. 2 LED lights with backup camera, high resolution, high quality view camera. And here, underneath the rear bumper, we have double black chrome exhaust tips and active mount. Also, liftgate is power, so we just simply press the button on the back of it, or the button on the smart key fob or in front of the driver, whatever works for you. And here's our cargo area, which has over 1,000 liters of cargo space, and it comes with the privacy tonneau cover that could be extended and fixed in order to protect your cargo from being visible from outside. There's our beautiful Woodland Edition cargo liner. We have LED light here, 120 volt outlet here for your appliances, tools, or camping, and 12 volt connector, storage compartment, and under this cover, and by the way, RAV4 has a double cover at the back. You can flip this part if you want, if you wanted to protect and keep your carpet surface clean. You can flip the cover to use this plastic side, and there's 2 levels of cargo area. You can drop it down to the second level in order to form the ridges here in the cargo space, so your cargo is not sliding back and forth, or maybe you have a pet here, so at least they have some ridges there. And we have spare tire with the jack and tools to replace it. Thank you for watching this walk around video about a new Toyota RAV4 XLE Hybrid Woodland Edition. This legendary Toyota SUV ready for any adventure from the factory with its unique wheels with all-terrain tires, bridge type roof railings and crossbars, 120 volt outlet in cargo area, unique style floor mats, and heated front seats with heated steering wheel, Toyota multimedia touchscreen with wireless Apple CarPlay Android Auto and Toyota connected services, power liftgate, and so much more. Stop by to have a look at this unique Toyota RAV4 Hybrid. We're located at 137 Avenue and St. Albert Trail at Toyota Northwest Edmonton, the big Toyota dealership.